Hey everybody, this is Bill from Broken Motorsports and Bleeding Tarmac. We got in front of you here another box, another edition of Not a Dick in a Box. So this box in front of me already, I've already opened it, but we've actually got our custom seat rail kit in here. This is basically a seat rail kit that is following the FIA rule book as far as sizes and dimensions and everything else go. So let me show you what we got here. Bunch of that stuff. So we've got 1, 2 pieces of square stock. It's 1/8 inch thick. But what's nice about this, and of course these aren't cut to length, we have them in a fairly long dimension so that you can actually put them into most cars. If your seat area is any bigger than this, I'd be shocked. Stuff like this Fiesta right here behind us, this will actually be enough length to make the kit fit into a front wheel drive floor pan like that, where the center is actually really low and actually kind of wide. But other things we have in this kit are full hardware kit. I'll open this for you in a second. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 nut plates. These have the nuts welded right into the back of them. These would basically essentially go on the ends like so, right? Like that. And then we've got 4 face plates as well. So these 4 face plates, these are all water jet cut, just like the nut plates are. These actually would get welded to the square stock and then bolted to the nut plate. The nut plates get welded into the rocker and the transmission tunnel. Of course, the phone's ringing. What a surprise. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. I've actually got another seat rail kit in here. It's for these Fiesta guys behind me. And let me see if I can find a razor blade. Hold on one second. Razor blade. All right, so cut this open for you and pour it all out. So we've got, so what we have here is M8 125 12.9 grade hex heads. These are actually for the outer portion of the kit. This goes into your nut plates, and then we have same thing, M8 125 and a 10.9 with a regular hex head. This is going to go into a threaded insert M8 125. This is 1.25 inches tall. This is a 1 inch thick plate. So theoretically, when you figure out where your seat is going to get centered on these and you drill your holes accurately, you'll be able to have 1/8 of an inch of this sticking out the top and the bottom in order to weld it into place. And then these guys screw into here. And then of course every nut or every bolt has a standard washer along with the kit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can order these right on our website, bleedingtarmac.com. This is a Broken Motorsports product, so go to bleedingtarmac.com, look under Broken Motorsports products. You can also use the cages link right at the top of the page. That will bring you to all the Broken Motorsports product as well. And if you want to see our process of installing these, we have another video you can watch here. And just be sure to like, subscribe, and share everything that you see, and we'll see you guys out on the stages.